timelines have been in use even before data visualization and infographic software were common. You'll find timelines in print media such as history books, brochures, newspapers, and manuals explaining a procedure or process. Today, timelines have also evolved with technology. It's easier to create interactive, engaging timelines from scratch or through infographic templates. The primary function of timelines and infographics is to communicate time-related information or data, either for analysis or presentation. It allows you to tell a story chronologically, from sharing how you got to where you are right now in your career, to the evolution of Levi's denim jeans. In addition, timelines in your infographic allow your reader to notice patterns appearing over specific periods, or how events take place during a selected time frame. Specifically, timeline infographics are ideal if you want to show how one thing leads to another, demonstrate how something has changed over time, or make a long, complicated story easier to understand. Ready to get started with your timeline infographic? Click on the link in the description below for more timeline infographic examples and templates.